downtown Coeur d'Alene. Look at that beautiful mural. All right, guys, this is a viewer requested video. I got a request to do all of the big box stores in town here in Coeur d'Alene. I'm going to show you all the good stuff. So we're going to take a drive today just to kind of show you what is here. Never in my life did I think that I would need a membership to a car wash until I moved here. I find it to be pretty darn useful. It's relatively cheap, 20 something bucks a month for one vehicle. And then you can pop in here and get it cleaned. It takes like 3 minutes to run through and you're good to go. So I wanted to show you where they all are, that they're very centrally located to the Coeur d'Alene area. I may have left you with more questions than answers, and that's great. Drop me a comment. Drop me a comment if you have more suggestions of videos that you would like to see. Let's get that party started.